Nice hearts, Matt. You could use those too.
I have that.
You want some?
Right.
I'll put some over here for you. There you go. I'll put these in here, okay? Get them right out of that dish. Those look nice, trimming up the back, maybe.
Cross.
Matt, can you move your hand?
This is nice on my side.
That tree look nice with bread on it.
Whoa, we got hardly any of this stuff left.
I know. Mom, I think you're probably going to have to go to the store.
What?
I think you're going to have to go to the store.
Or bakery.
Why, you don't think I'll have enough frosting?
No more.
Well, let's see how far we get, okay?